I have something magical in store for you. We are going to be reviewing the Walt Life box together. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, this little guy might look familiar to you. So I will be announcing my Instagram giveaway winner, my very first winner, at the end of this video. This is my second unboxing of the Walt Life subscription box, and here's a little bit about the subscription. So there are different tiers that you can choose from. There's a snack box, a kingdom box, a very special box. I got the highest tier, of course, because I'm Disney's biggest fan. Obviously, it's not by choice, it's in my blood. And I'm so excited to get ready to open up this box. So if you want to learn more, visit their website. I guarantee if you're a Disney fan, you won't regret it. All right, let's open this bad boy up. So this is the second unboxing, and as you can see, I already have such a cute hat for me to wear at the park with. You can't go wrong with a polka dot mini hat. Super, super cute. Ooh, is this a makeup bag? This is so awesome. I love makeup bags, and it's Little Mermaid. Super cute. Can't go wrong with an OG princess. Let's see what the inside says. Oh, I love travel bags. The girl who has everything. And yeah, she does have everything, including dingle hoppers. Let's see what else this is. Oh, this is Flint. So he's from Pocahontas. He's a sweet little hummingbird, and this is perfect because I'm actually going to be Pocahontas for Halloween as one of my costumes. Next, this is a Minnie Mouse ear pin. This is super cute. I love rose gold. You can't go wrong with rose gold on a mini headband. Super, super cute. And a Frozen magnet, which is really sweet because my sister and I, we think we're Anna and Elsa. She's definitely Elsa, that little ice queen I have next to me. And this is a cute Pixar up friend bracelet. How cute. All right, that's all for my unboxing. Look how much cute stuff I have. I mean, honestly, you can't go wrong with a present to yourself every single month. This is so adorable. I don't even know how they fit this hat into the box, but super cute. Thank you to everyone who entered into my Instagram giveaway. So now we're about to announce the winner, and it is Suki Says Style. She guessed correctly on how many Donald Duck plush animals I have, and here is your prize. It's a Beauty and the Beast collector's item. This is Chip, and he's going to be arriving in this awesome little box. So thank you so much for entering. And if you didn't win this giveaway, don't worry. Be sure to check my Instagram for more updates on prizes. Congratulations, Suki. Thank you guys so much for watching today's unboxing. Don't worry if you didn't win today's giveaway. Keep checking my Instagram for updates on prizes and giveaways. Have a magical day.